So it's first drive time. You should have already hopefully seen the startup video earlier, and now it's first drive time on the 350Z twin turbo project build car status sports car roadster. It's not a roadster. Just draw more keywords there to see if that helps me. I don't know. Give this before I get carried away. Give this video a like. I'll appreciate it. It'll help me a lot. Comment, and you can subscribe too if you feel like it. Down here. Yeah, down here. So everything's buttoned up. Only thing left to do really on the car is get it tuned, but I'm going to take it for a spin first, make sure everything's operating properly before I schedule the tuner and paint the body kit. I have the stock stuff on now. I'll give you a very, very quick walk around. Show you what we're working with, and then hopefully you'll see the car drive up and down the block. Down the block.
You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts.
Thanks for staying. Thanks for sticking around. It's gonna be a nifty video. I have a feeling. So let me show you around the car quickly. A very quick rundown. This is the girl. It's a twin turbo built engine 350Z. It previously made. I pulled a lot of this stuff out of another 350Z I had that made 600 horsepower. So it's the same basic setup of what I already had, but it's a built engine, twin turbo. There's one kind down there, one kind down there under the edges. It's hard to see, but as you see the charge pipe blow off valve, so you can see it's a turbo. So got a nice hydro dipped intake plenum that I love. Got everything else buttoned up here. Got a nice coil rad radiator with some couple of spout fans. So she should be good. Got the work CR2 piece wheels, CR2P wheels on there. In the front got Ditto NT555s, and then in the back there is Toyo R888Rs for the traction. So pretty much all buttoned up. I actually freaking don't have the key on me. I've okay, hold on. So pretty much all buttoned up here. Got the rear bumper on. You can see the nice pretty blue tip. That's a Gretty tip, even though it's a AAM exhaust. But other than that, she good to go. So I got the battery charger. That's why the cord's out here. I have a built-in battery charger, so that's why you see electrical cord. But I'm gonna plug that and pull her out. Get her down the street. I'm gonna try to start her at the bottom of the driveway because it's running really, really rough, and it's gonna be like a one-shot, really quick deal because it's a little stall. Hopefully, I can get up and down the block and make it back up into here. We'll see what happens.
fucking time. Girl, stretch her legs out, spinning the fucking wheels. Yeah! Ha ha! Yeah, yeah! Pow, pow! Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So that went pretty darn dang well. Thank the good old Lord. It pretty much stalled right as I was coasting into the driveway, into the garage, so it's perfect. I was hoping I'd have to push it back up the driveway, but thankfully I didn't have to. So pretty much at this point, everything's shifted okay. I didn't get to 6th because I wasn't really going fast enough. Even 5th, I should have. Normally I wouldn't have gotten to 5th at the speed I was going. So, but I just wanted to make sure the gears were working. And I also made sure reverse was working. After I got it stopped and sitting in the garage, I had the video off or whatever. After I had it stopped sitting for a while, I managed to start it back up quickly and put it in reverse and just backed up a little bit. So, it works. It works. Yeah. Everything seemed to work okay. Brakes seemed okay. Steering seemed okay. I mean, I didn't really push it, obviously. It was just a really quick loop. It wasn't anything crazy. I was running like absolute crap, so I couldn't really, it was hard to judge everything. But all the main systems of the car seemed to be operating. Gauges work, all that good crap. So hopefully we're good to go to get the tune. So I got to call him up. Schedule the damn tune. I'm taking it to Vinny 10 Racing in Long Island, New York. He tuned the previous car and did a great job. It ran perfect, basically. Nothing's perfect, but it's as close as you can get. It ran great. So, taking it back to him. I have a call and see what their schedule is. And then probably the next video, hopefully, will be, depending on how long it is, probably the next video will be getting this girl load up on a trailer to take to the tune, and then we'll see what happens there. It might be a 2-part video or something. I don't know what's going to happen, but that's probably going to be the next video. If not, either that, the next 2 things besides getting the tune, I'm going to be doing like in the garage-wise. I'm going to kind of be doing like a little bit of a remodel of the garage, clean things up, paint, organize, that type of crap. I'm going to do a video with that. And the other thing I'm going to be doing is boring the fuck out of you is painting the body kit. And putting it on. So, but we'll see how the timing of things works. But this was a fucking good advancement in my life. I'm excited. You should be too. Give me a like, or I'm gonna punch you in the knuckles. It didn't make sense, but not much here does. So yeah, give me a like. I appreciate it. Comment, share this. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends you found an idiot. And subscribe, all that good crap. And stay tuned. Damn it, there's going to be more great videos coming at you. Don't forget, drive fast, check chances. Chances.